Welcome back to Autocar 024. The 2025 Renault Grand Captur is a standout SUV that blends modern design with functionality from the moment you lay eyes on it. The exterior impresses with its sleek, dynamic lines and bold stance. The front grille is wide and angular, framed by sharp LED headlights that give the vehicle an assertive presence on the road. The side profile showcases a refined look with sculpted body panels and chrome accents, while the rear is characterized by stylish taillights and a compact, clean design that enhances its urban appeal. The Grand Captur's overall design strikes a balance between sophistication and sportiness, making it an attractive option for those who want an SUV that looks as good as it performs. Under the hood, the 2025 Grand Captur offers a range of powertrains, including efficient hybrid options that appeal to eco-conscious drivers. The 1.3-liter turbocharged engine, paired with the smooth 7-speed automatic transmission, provides a good mix of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both city driving and long road trips. The SUV handles well, thanks to its responsive steering and well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps effortlessly, delivering a comfortable ride. Whether cruising on highways or navigating tight urban streets, the Grand Captur feels agile and easy to maneuver. It also features a variety of driving modes, allowing you to switch between eco, comfort, and sport modes to suit your driving preferences. Inside, the 2025 Renault Grand Captur offers a premium and spacious cabin. The materials used throughout feel high quality, with soft-touch plastics, plush upholstery, and a modern design that exudes elegance. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, offering ample adjustability for the driver and passenger. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that's easy to use and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The rear seats provide plenty of space, ensuring comfort for adult passengers, and the boot offers generous cargo capacity, making it a practical choice for families or those who need extra space for luggage. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Renault Grand Captur is competitively priced, starting around $30,000. This makes it an attractive option for those looking for a well-rounded, stylish SUV with great performance and features without stretching their budget too far. Overall, the Grand Captur delivers a solid mix of style, practicality, and performance, making it a standout in its segment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more new latest cars model. Thank you.